You're gonna love the 2019 Audi Q5. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Express your appreciation for style and quality in this handsome Q5. Well-rounded and designed to maximize comfort and confidence, this feature-rich automobile infuses every journey with pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, power driver seat, electronic stability control, leather steering wheel. This vehicle is waiting for you at the intersection of comfort and style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.